Hey guys, welcome back. In the last video we completed the model for this environment and today we are going to unwrap it. So let's switch it to UV editing mode and delete the duplicated objects. So these 4 blocks are same. So I'm going to remove 3 of them. Select these 3 and delete. Now these cubes and these cubes are same, so delete these ones. Also this one and this one. Delete these two also. Now for the stairs, select these 3, delete, and these 2. So now we have removed all the duplicated objects. Let's start unwrapping. So let's go for this chimney first. Select it and go to create, then select automatic. Now as you can see that our checkers are stretched, so let's fix those. Select this shell and rotate it. Also this one and these 2. Place them all together like this. And then scale in the y-axis until you see your checkers in a perfect square. And press shift right click and use layout UV. Bring these outside. Go to edge mode and select this edge, then use move and sew. Select this shell and press R, scale it like this, then rotate it. Now select all of them and layout. So our chimney is unwrapped. Now select this shell and as you can see that our checkers here are a bit small. So scale it down a little bit. And rotate it. Now select all the UV shells and layout. Assign a new material to this. Take a Blinn or Lambert. Add any color you want and rename it as chimney. Now select this roof and go to create. Again select automatic mapping. Go to edge mode and use move and sew. Now select these edges and these ones. Again move and sew. Go to shell mode and unfold. Go to UV mode, select these UVs and bring them down to make this edge straight. Again shell mode and layout. Assign a new material. Add any color. rename it as roof. Now select this house and isolate this first by pressing Alt H. Go to create and select automatic mapping. Select the house and rotate it like this. Also this one. Rotate these two. Now go to edge mode and select these three edges and use move and sew. Again move and sew. UV shell and layout UV. Again assign a new material. Add any color and rename it as walls. Now select these two and go to create and select automatic. Again use move and sew. Same for this block. And layout. Assign a new material and rename it as stone. Assign any color you want. Now we have two ways to unwrap this. You can either go to create and select automatic mapping. Then you have to scale down each these faces to remove this stretching. Or what you can do is go to create and select camera based. Now go to edge mode and select all these edges. Now go to your UV editor and in the edge mode add cut. Now select all the UV shells and press shift right click, go to unfold and select this unfold option box and select this legacy option and then hit apply. Now you don't have to deal with the scaling. Now go to edge mode, select the edge, move and sew. Again unfold. Now rotate it. Select this, press shift right click and select this orient shell to edge and layout. Now you can unwrap all these wood panels with this method. Now I'm going to fast forward it. So I'll see you when I'm done with all these cubes. So all these woods are unwrapped. Now unwrap this one and now go to create and select camera based. Again go to edge mode, select all the edges. In the UV mode add cut, then UV shells and unfold. Now move and sew. And unfold one more time, then layout and orient. Now let's unwrap this window. Go to create and automatic. Now select these shells and rotate like this. Place them here and move and sew. Go to UV shell, select all of them and then layout. Also select these shells and rotate them like this. Now let's unwrap the door. Go to create and again automatic. Go to edge mode and move and sew. Select UV shell and then layout. Rotate it like this. Now we have unwrapped everything, so let's just create the duplicates. Select this, go to front view and duplicate it. Place this one here. Duplicate this one and place this one up here. Select this one, duplicate and place this one on this corner. Go to top view, hide the roof for a minute and now place it where it was before. Now select these two, duplicate again and place these two on this corner. Now select these 4 cubes, duplicate and place on the other side like this. Bring back your roof. Duplicate these two. Place them here. Go to top view and duplicate this one. Place it here like this. Rotate it. Select both of them, again duplicate, place them up here. Go to right view and again add some rotation. So now let's select all the woods first. and combine. Now select all of them and layout. And assign a new material. Color it green and rename it as wood. Now select these 4 cubes and combine. Then go to UV shell and layout. Assign a new material. Rename this as concrete. Keep it gray. Now we have to do one more thing. Select this house and go to edge mode in the UV editor. Select this edge and cut. We need to separate this because we are going to assign a different material for this part. Keep it like this. Select the door and assign new material. Rename it as door. Now select all of it and go to edit, then delete by type history. So we have unwrapped our environment. So let's select all of it and go to file, export selection, rename your file. And hit export. So we are done with our unwrapping. And in the next video, we're going to texture it in Substance Painter with the help of Quixel Bridge. So that's it for today. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, thank you for watching.